Okay, look at all that snow. I've recently found out that some people think that this is not real snow, that there's some kind of government conspiracy going on, creating fake snow. And the reason people think it's fake, because when you take a snowball and burn it, it doesn't melt. Ooh, okay. The other thing is that there's charring on the snow and that it smells like chemicals when you burn it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain why that's happening. So what I'm going to do, take a little snow here off the banister, and I'm going to pack it up into a snowball. And I'm going to set that snowball right here next to my very fashionable butane lighter. And you can see I did this experiment just a second ago. That's why I have another snowball there. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to burn this. All right. Now what you see, instead of water, you see the snow is just kind of dissolving. And this is what's getting a lot of people. Oh, where's the water from? If you burn an ice cube, water comes out of it. There's a couple other things that happen here, and I'm going to hope that the effects show up well enough on the video for you to be able to see what I'm talking about. But as you can see, it is just kind of like a piece of styrofoam. It's just melting away without really producing any water running off of it. I'm getting just a little bit of charring on the snow. This is what people claim is evidence that something's wrong with the snow because it's charring. Now, a little hard to see on the video. There's a few black spots. I'm going to explain this whole thing to you guys. So the reason the snow is just disintegrating is a process called sublimation. It means that the ice crystals in the snow they're lightly packed and they're just turning directly into a gas. They're just evaporating. Now, some of the snow actually does melt and turn into water. And because it's like a snow cone, it's like a sponge. The snow, which does turn into water, just gets absorbed, and now the snowball's thicker, it's denser, slushier. So that's why there's no runoff. Now, the other big thing is it smells like chemicals. Well, let me smell this. Oh, God, that smells awful. It does smell like chemicals. And you know what's really funny is if I take this lighter and I turn it on, well, I can't turn it on right now. It's got snow on it. Ah, there we go. Now I'm going to smell the lighter. Oh, that's really weird. It's got the same smell. That's where the chemical smell comes from. It's the butane. And butane is a chemical. And the very last thing is the soot. I don't think I talked about that yet. That's what it is. The charring on the snow. The snow's not actually charring. The burning of the butane is an inefficient process. It has byproducts. One of those byproducts is carbon soot. There you have it. The snow is not created by the government. It's not some conspiracy. I'll address anything else crazy that comes out like this as I see fit. Thank you. Don't believe such nonsense.